Mushrooms cooked with garlic can indeed be incredibly flavorful, often offering a rich umami taste that rivals or even surpasses meat for some people. The earthy, savory notes of mushrooms combined with the aromatic, slightly spicy kick of garlic create a depth of flavor that's satisfying, even for those who typically enjoy meat. Certain mushrooms, like portobello, shiitake, or cremini, have a meaty texture, which makes them a popular choice in plant-based dishes. When sautéed with garlic, herbs, and a splash of olive oil, they develop a caramelized, intense flavor that can stand on its own or complement various dishes. Mushrooms, especially when paired with garlic, offer a variety of health benefits. Here's a breakdown of their advantages. Mushroom benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Mushrooms are low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals, such as B vitamins, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, selenium, copper, and potassium. 2. Boost immune system. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans, compounds that help enhance immune response and may improve resistance to infections. 3. High in antioxidants. Mushrooms, especially varieties like shiitake and maitake, are packed with antioxidants like ergothioneine, which help protect the body from free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Promote heart health. Mushrooms are cholesterol-free, fat-free, and can help lower cholesterol levels. 5. Potassium in mushrooms supports heart function and helps regulate blood pressure, aid in weight management. Due to their low calorie and high fiber content, mushrooms are excellent for weight management, providing satiety while being low in calories. Support brain health. Mushrooms, particularly lion's mane, have been associated with cognitive benefits, potentially improving memory and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Mushrooms, particularly lion's mane, have been associated with cognitive benefits, potentially improving memory and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. With the mix of garlic is excellent for enhancing immune function, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing inflammation. Combining mushrooms and garlic, enhanced flavor without unhealthy additives, the combination brings intense flavor to dishes without relying on excessive salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. 2. Synergistic health effects. Both are rich in antioxidants, making this pairing powerful for boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. 3. Plant-based power. This duo can serve as a delicious, nutrient-dense substitute for meat, making it perfect for vegetarian and vegan diets. In short, mushrooms with garlic are not just tasty but also incredibly nutritious. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching.